back to my vlog. It's me again, Sharlajade. Okay, so I don't know what to vlog about today, but I just want to film a video, so here I am filming a video. Okay, so I don't really have anything to talk about. Today is, what's the date today? Today is July 17, I think. Let me check first. I cannot check because I don't have, oh, I guess let me check my journal. Today is, oh my god, I forgot to put the date. Oh, yeah, today is July 17th. It's Saturday, and time now is 12:05 p.m. So I woke up not too long ago, and then it's just like a beautiful day, and I just wanted to show to you the view from my room. The sky is so nice, but let me show you this one first. Later I will show you my plant over there. Yeah, so we're still working from home because of COVID, and it's getting worse, and we have lockdown since Monday, July 12th, I think. Yeah, so everything's like closed except for supermarkets, pharmacies, restaurants, like the essential stuff, stores, whatever, and they're only open from 4 a.m. 4 a.m. or 3 a.m. 4 a.m. to until 8 p.m. Everything is closed at 8 p.m. and then public transportation is only until 9 p.m. 3 a.m. to 9 p.m. And yeah, there are checkpoints and there's really nothing you can do. It's so boring, and well, it's better stay safe, just stay at home. So yeah, so we've been working from home since May. Well, actually our vacation was like started April, so that means I've been just at home for like April, May, June, July, like 4 months already. Wow, that is so long. Time flies so fast. Okay, let me show you the sky, guys. And sorry about the unnecessary noises. My windows are open so you can hear everything. Yeah, but look at the sky. It's so beautiful. Right? That's the view. It's my bed. It's just beside. Oh. And there's the sky, guys. I think it's better when I use the rear camera. I might just switch it later. But I also recorded a clip earlier, like me opening the window, something like that, you know. So yeah, and also excuse my face because I just woke up and I just washed my face and then just put my moisturizer, and that's it. But it looks so dry, and yeah, it's kind of like my bare face. You can see all my pores, guys. Yeah, and I'm just drinking this coffee. This is coffee. This is coffee macchiato, and this is just home. I mean, not really homemade, but it's iced coffee. I just made it, and then I put whipped cream earlier. Maybe I'll put a little clip on this video. And I had cookies. Yeah, actually, it was good. And I like what I like with my iced coffee is like it's a bit watered down. Like I put a lot of water, so it's not, you know, it's like water with a little bit of coffee. I was actually selling this cup, but then no one bought it. So it's a good thing that no one bought it because I actually like it now. It's just a free when I bought the Tipco. Tipco is like the brand of the fruit juice here. So it has a cover, but it's in the kitchen, guys. So yeah, I was just gonna show you the sky. This is just so pretty. I just wanna look at it, you know, like all day. Alright, so what are we gonna talk about now? I don't have anything to talk about. So that's the update in my life. I haven't posted yet for a while because I'm too lazy to edit. And yeah, what else? What else should we talk about? So I have a vlog about me transferring, moving to this new room. So I've been here for like, I think, wait, not even a month. It's just like 2 weeks, 3 weeks only. Yeah. So let me just show you the cream. Yeah. And just update my fucking life. This is my journal, guys. Things to do today. It's Saturday. I actually needed to film a video for my class, and then I have to finish my laundry, and I should edit like documents for work, but I'm lazy, so I don't know. Alright, let me just switch the camera and so that I can show to you the view from the rear camera. I think the quality is better. Alright, so let's go! So that's it. That's the view from my room. And today is like a beautiful day. It's sunny day, so the clouds are like so nice. And now I'm just gonna clean the fridge because I defrost it. Yes, I'm just gonna clean it a little bit, and I don't know, maybe do the laundry and then do some work. Yeah, so I'll film a little bit of me cleaning the fridge. I'll try. And yeah, those are my towels. Looks so ugly. Alright, so I'll get back to you later. and clean the fridge. And right now I'm just gonna try to do some work stuff. Not really. I think I'm just gonna download some new songs. Yeah. Then maybe write on my journal. I'm not sure. I need to finish the laundry, and then I still need to film, but I don't know what to film for my class. So let's just download some songs. So that we will have something to listen to, new, something new. Look at that! Look at the view, guys. Isn't it so pretty? Just like you. I'm so funny, right? Gago. Okay. Let's hydrate. What happened to this? Why is it not turning on? Oh, there you go. Oh, look at the sticker on my laptop. Stickers, I mean. So I guess if ever I will have a class like in the classroom, I need to cover this because you know it's rated as PG. My students are not supposed to see this. So yeah. But it looks cute. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna need my phone because I need to search for the new songs that I've saved. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna cut this video, guys, because I need to download it, and I need also to connect the hotspot on my laptop. So I'll just grab you guys. How do I look? Do I look okay? Yeah, I look okay. I'm actually just like murmuring here, like I don't know what to say. But yeah, maybe the title will be like update, life update, something like that, and then like a fridge cleaning and organizing something, you know, tour. Yeah. Let's see. I'll try to edit this video, this vlog today and upload it today because I still have a lot of videos that are stuck on the other phone and haven't edited it yet. So my list is gonna be scrambled because of this one, but it's okay. At least I'm gonna have a little bit of update, and it's gonna be a same day video. Oh my god. Okay, so let me just download some songs and then I'm gonna edit and then I'm gonna upload. Okay.